Hi. We're gonna do the asparagus salad. It's the beginning of the spring and asparagus is the right time to have it. The wild asparagus. It's quite different than the cultivated asparagus. Asparagus, see, like a spear. We have to clean it, so we want to cut it. Wherever it's cut naturally, like this is the part that is eatable. So I already prepared my asparagus, cleaned it. It's here. I like it juicy, crunch, so we're not gonna overcook it. I have my water already boiling. I'm just gonna boil, I will count down until 10, and I'm gonna put it in cold water, icy water, just blanch it because I need to keep the color and the crunch. I'm gonna first prepare my ice water before it's too late. This is my water. So I'm ready because we're just gonna count it until 10, okay? This is my asparagus, hot water. That's it. We gotta remove it. See the color of the water, it's become like a little bit green. We gotta put it on the ice water to keep the color and the taste. I want to keep the green color and the crunch. So we're gonna blanch it. Voila. This is done, we don't need it anymore. And this is my asparagus. We're gonna prepare the sauce. Lemon. Pinch of salt. Dissolve the salt before you add the olive oil. My olive oil. So see the texture, it's all blended together. Just want to add my garlic. So my sauce is ready. This is what I want. You mix it because you want to have the spear part and the bottom part all mixed together so you have different taste on each bite. I want to put my sauce on it. Little bit until the asparagus absorb the sauce. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare my parsley. I'm gonna add a little bit of parsley. Looks great. And it's the season, so enjoy it. If you want to add some taste and color, you just add a little bit of pepper flake. Voila. Simple, the best. Just try it. It's really, really good.